your boy Joey Perez Off-Road, back with another video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today's an exciting day. It's an exciting video, as you guys can see by the thumbnail. We're going to be installing an RJWC Mud Edition exhaust and also the RJWC El Comandante tune. Before we do all the fun stuff, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to lionparts.com. We're kind enough to send over a free giveaway for one of you lucky viewers. RJWC GAS CAP 2.0, which I believe the 2.0 has a little bit more laser engraving, a little bit more finer details, if you will. All you got to do is just like this video, subscribe if you're not already, comment in the comment section RJWC or GAS CAP, somewhere along those lines. If you've done those 3 steps, you will be entered to win the GAS CAP, guys, and it's pretty slick. I've got the RJWC, the original one, but it doesn't look as fancy as this one. Again, we'd like to thank lionparts.com for sending this free giveaway over. Check out their website, guys. They got everything from A to Z like Amazon. They've got parts for your motorcycle, dirt bike, your ATV, UTV. I believe they even had a hunting and farming section there, guys. So you guys go check them out. Come right with the pack, guys, and let's jump in the video. We got the RJWC exhaust here at the front steps, so let's get into it, guys. Let's dig in here and see what we got. All right, guys, so here she is outside of the box, looking as clean as can be. Look at that badge there, RJWC Power Sports. You just can't go wrong with their quality, guys. NCAP, one of the main reasons that attracted me to this exhaust. I was going back and forth between the Crossflow and the Mud Edition, but ended up just settling for the Mud Edition. I am going to be using the clamp they provided. Also, here's the tune, the El Comandante RJWC tune I'll be throwing on. And they also provided a little fancy pouch here. I believe it's got the spark arrestor and a little shim here. Be installing that. I'll show you how to do that. If you can see the little gap right there, that's where that goes. Here's a good better look at the RJWC free gas cap I'm gonna give away. So again, remember, just like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment in the comment section RJWC or gas cap. I'm gonna go ahead and install the spark arrestor real quick, just for those of you that require it in whatever state you guys reside in. I'm gonna throw it on. Just I like to kind of think that maybe this will catch some mud that will go into the exhaust. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on. So pretty much how do you do that is just take off. There's gonna be 4 Allen bolts there, which I've already done it again just to make things a lot easier for us. And the way that goes on, get your spark arrestor, throw it in there. It's got a little groove. Get your shim. Also put it on there just like that. We got the end cap back on. We got the spark arrestor installed. You remove the stock exhaust is you got a clamp there. That's a 13mm nut. Also, you're gonna have a bolt here, which is a 13mm nut as well. You will need a socket and a wrench to remove that. Same thing for the other side, guys. And let's go ahead and take this hunk of junk off and install this Mud Edition, guys. Let's do it. Before we jump into the install of the RJWC exhaust, we're gonna go ahead and give you guys an audio clip of the stock muffler, just for you guys can get an idea, you know, really just for fun, before and after audio clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on and let's see what she sounds like stock. That was a quick little audio clip with the stock muffler on. I gave it a couple revs, you know, just for you guys can get an idea. And let's go ahead and remove this sucker and throw on this RJWC exhaust. Let's get it. Hey, look at this, guys. Look at this RJWC Power Sports Mud Edition exhaust is officially installed. So let's go ahead and get you guys that second audio clip for you guys to see what she sounds like. Thing sounds mean as heck, guys. I cannot wait to take it for his first rip and baptize this sucker in some muddy water, you know what I mean? But real quick on the install, guys, from the factory you have 2 star bolts here. You remove those, and without this black bracket, guys, the magic will not happen. This is your stock hole here for your stock exhaust, and as you can see, it, you know, the muffler does stick out a little bit, so without this bracket, nothing's gonna happen, you know what I mean? So remove those star bolts, get your bracket, and then you've got a few spacers here. I'll give you a quick little shot of how I did it. And these are 13 mil on this side. And then here is where the muffler attaches to the bracket. I used the spacer they provided and the 2 rubber grommets or 2 rubber washers, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, you tighten up your clamp back here, guys. So that's what she looks like on. And let's go ahead and move into getting that tune on there. We're gonna go ahead and install the RJWC Power Sports El Comandante EFI tuner, which is pretty cool because it's got a display on there, and I believe it does display real-time RPM. I've already got the wire harness on the fuel injectors ready to go. Again, I am doing this by myself, so it's pretty challenging to do it with one hand. Here's one of your fuel injectors right there. It's got black tape, so just make sure whenever you install it, make sure you keep the black with the black, you know what I mean, and then the red with the red. You see these two wires here are red, these two wires are black. So plug into the fuel injector, and then you get your other end, plug it into the other connector. Same for this side, so you can see down in there. Again, I do apologize, guys. So you guys kind of get the picture there, and then you've got a ground that goes to your negative terminal on your battery. I did fail to mention, when you're installing these, make sure you hear that click, make sure you hear that snap, and get that confirmation that everything's nice and seated properly. Go ahead and get this cover back on, and we're gonna find a nice spot, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it here on the side panel. Quick, I'm just adjusting the fuel. So right now I've already done the 1,000, 1,500, 3,000. And right now we're on the setting 4, so that's going to be the 4,500 RPM. It's asking for 25%, so we're going to go ahead and adjust that to 25%. Just to give you a little quick example, I know the screen's going to look a little funny. Quick little demonstration for you guys. Let's get this up to 25%. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Had the baby girl, had my baby princess yesterday, 8:38 a.m., 19 inches, 7 pounds, 11 ounces, baby. So I'm excited about that. Been super busy. So what did I say this was? 25%. Let's go. 25. All right. So we got it at 25%. So we'll go ahead and hit the check mark. And then now we'll be able to move to the 5th setting, which is going to be 6,000 RPM. We got everything already installed. Tune is nice and adjusted to its proper settings. Just one little quick complaint. RJWC provides an adhesive that goes, you stick on, which it already failed me. I had it on here for about, I kid you not, maybe 15 seconds, and it just fell off. So I'll probably end up just grabbing that bolt and drilling a hole in here and fixing it, setting it right there nice and neat. That way we have some confirmation. It ain't going nowhere on the trail, guys. And I'll also be able to read the RPM display on there, so I think that's pretty cool. I did manage to squeeze in a little bit of time to go ahead and go the extra mile and get an Allen screw for I can go ahead and bolt the blinky box, the El Comandante tuner down. I drilled a hole here in the side panel, and I got the Allen screw and put it through the back. And there's plenty of room down in there where you could probably see the screw I put. This was definitely a better route for me. I'm not going to trust some sticker adhesive, that's going to be, non-dependable. RJWC, if you guys are watching, I suggest this is the route you guys take, and recommend your customers to protect our investment. We don't want our $200 and something investment, flapping around on our fenders, scratching up. You know what I'm saying? I guess just hop on it and rip this sucker. Wow, guys, I can already feel the throttle response. I'm not just saying that because you can hear a difference, but I can feel it, man. I'm already enjoying the heck out of it. We're in high gear right now, and I'm gonna just punch it. Let's see how high I can get it where the road ends. So let's go. All right, we're punching it now. Baby, I've gotten it up to 67 before, but I started running out of room here, so we hit 65. So I'm gonna try it in low gear, see what we got, which I'm sure that's gonna be fun as well. So here's low gear. Oh, can I pop a wheelie now? Oh my god. Hey, I think I can pop a wheelie now. Dang, low is crazy, bro. Guys, real quick, I just pulled up, and I did fail to mention earlier, once you get all these bolts tightened down, the clamp and all that, do turn it on, let it get hot for a little bit, turn it off, and retighten all your hardware. That is recommended per manual through RJWC. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that rip as much as I did, man. That was pretty fun. I got her up to 65, so I lost a couple miles. I lost like 2 miles on top speed, which we're not worried about top speed. We all want that low end torque. Low gear is insane. I'm not gonna lie, there's a huge difference there. I was gonna go with an ECU flash, guys, but I just didn't want to do all the warranty stuff. I just, first bolt-ons, and it is a 570 also, so I was like, you know what, we'll just stick with the stage 1 mods and throw a little tune on there, let it run right. We don't want anything running lean. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Don't forget about the free giveaway. like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and also go ahead and comment RJWC GAS CAP, whatever you guys like. I'm gonna be out there at Extreme Saturday, February 4th for the Mardi Gras event. Super excited, guys. Let's do a trail takeover. Link up with me, message me. You already know. Houston ATV Riding Club. Big shout out to you guys. Big shout out to What the Off-Road. I really need to get to the hospital, guys. I really should be with my wife. I'm doing this all for you guys. I'm a one-man army here. It's kind of hard, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got a cameraman, but I got this, yo. We got this. So I Los Vemos February 4th at Extreme, guys, for Mardi Gras event, and we're gonna send this thing to 1000%. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.